My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
Okay. What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, apparently it was unboxing week, the week I was on vacation. So I came back and all of my subscription boxes are here. So I'm probably late, nobody's probably gonna watch this, but I figured I'm gonna be unboxing this anyways. I might as well do it on camera. So this video is going to be a regular Ipsy Glam bag versus Ipsy Plus. Last month I just got the Ipsy Plus, but I decided to add the regular Ipsy again because I just want to see the difference between them and show you guys. So you can decide if you want to upgrade to the Plus or stick with the Ipsy. So the regular Ipsy is $10 a month. The Ipsy Plus is $25. If that's wrong, I'll put the real number on the screen. So yeah, if you would like to see what I got in my July Ipsy Glam bag and Ipsy Glam bag Plus, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Alright, let's get into the unboxing. I'm so excited to get me some makeup. Alright, I'm going to open the regular Ipsy first. Let's see what this, because I did miss getting the bag. I'm like, Ooh. Okay, so here is July's bag. That's cute. Nothing like super, I mean, it's cute. I do like the colors, like the green and the like orange. Alright, so there's a product that was in the wrapping, so I'm just going to talk about that first. It is the coffee scrub, French vanilla. So sexy skin is just a scrub away. So yeah, this is a scrub for your skin in the shower. Okay. I have super dry skin, so I need to exfoliate my face and my body. I do have a scrub that I use, but we'll try this. Girl loves coffee too. I'm not usually the biggest fan of like using coffee scented products on me, but hey, we'll try it. And I love that they started including a pamphlet in the regular Ipsy. Ooh, but I don't want to sneak and see what's in it. Okay, the first product is this 12 Benefits Instant Healthy Hair Treatment. So this miracle, it is seals color, smooths, repairs, and improves texture and manageability, and prevents split ends, and moisturizes and strengthens and protects from chlorine, wind, and sun. Prevents flat iron damage, adds shine and softness, and protects from blow drying, and it's an anti-aging formula. So I guess those are the 12 benefits. So I've actually tried this before a long time ago, and I really did like it. So I'm excited to have that. I always love a good like hair conditioning spray. I prefer sprays over anything you have to work through your hair. Alright, so the next product is this, why can't you say it? Smashbox Cosmetics Always On Liquid Lipstick in Babe Alert. Okay, it's a pretty like rose nude, I want to say. Oh wow, yeah, I really like that. Okay, yeah, that's like a peachy nude, I would say. Alright. I do like the Smashbox liquid lipsticks as well. Okay, I already talked about the coffee scrub. So the next product is this, I don't think I'm going to say it right, but Cuccio color nail polish in Mercury Rising. Let's see what she looks like. It's cute. I don't know if it's a color that I would really use. I'll put it in a giveaway. I mean, it is a pretty color. I just No, I don't know. I actually do kind of like it. We'll see. We'll see. And the last product is, okay, Phase Zero Makeup Blusher in Cotton Candy. Ooh. And this is like a full size as well. So here is what it looks like. It's very nice too, the packaging. It doesn't feel cheap. Ooh, it has a little mirror as well. I really like that. It's like a nice light kind of like baby pink. Ooh, it's very creamy. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. It's kind of light. It is very soft and creamy, and I do like this color. This would be really pretty just for like a light like wash of color. Okay, wow, I am actually really glad that I ordered the regular Ipsy, because for $10, like, yeah, that is awesome. Yeah, got a scrub, hair treatment, liquid lipstick, nail polish, and a full-size blush. Like, what more can you ask for? So, yeah, let me know what you guys got in your Ipsy for the month of July. Alright, so now let us open the Ipsy Plus. Aw, I like the little quote on the inside. Holy! It says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. I already have it, but oh my god! Oh! Sorry. Okay, so, wow! Alright, let me go through my little pamphlet. It is I'm pretty sure it's the same theme, the dive in. Yes, it is. Okay. Whoa, guys. Okay, this is the first product. It is this Pixie by Petra Glow Mist, and this is full size, and full size is $15. So I've actually seen this before, and I really wanted to get it, but I'm like, I'm not paying $15 for that. So I am super excited that I got it. I'm going to use some right now. That's how excited I am. I love, love, love the Pixie Glow Tonic. It is like, it's my favorite toner ever. Ooh, it's a very fine mist, and it's like a good pump too. Doesn't have much of a scent. Okay, the next product is this Wander Beauty Catch the Light Highlighter and Glotion Duo in Celestial. So this retails for $34. This is full size, as are all the products in here, so I'm not going to say that anymore. And it is, oh, so it had, oh my god, it's 2 products in one. The liquid is 1.01 ounces, and the stick is 0.08 ounces. So this Radiance Boosting Duo in both stick and liquid formulas makes it easy to customize your glow. So I actually got a sample of the liquid highlighter. I don't know if it was the same color or if they have more than one color. This is in Celestial, I think I said that. So wow, let me do, here is the stick end, the cream end of it. Ooh. Oh my god, that is so gorgeous. Oh my god, that is so gorgeous. It's like the most beautiful, like light gold. And yeah, I'm not gonna do the other end because I don't feel like taking that whole thing off, but it's a very similar color to this, and I am pretty sure this is the color I got the sample of because I can just tell by how it looks with the stick end. Ooh! So I love mixing this liquid one in with my foundation. You guys, this next product, okay, I already have it, so it'll be going in a giveaway, so you guys are going to get excited too. It is this Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette. What? What? It retails for $27, and this honestly is like, of the original obsessions she came out with, this is probably my favorite. All the mattes like blend so beautifully, are very pigmented, and the shimmers, they're all really good. I actually hit pan on this one. Ooh, maybe I should keep that. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just fucking with you guys. But they're all like super easy to apply and really, really pigmented. Wow! Alright, Ipsy, I see you. Yes! And I am going to be doing a giveaway soon. So, wow. And, alright, the next product, I'm getting ahead of myself. Oh my gosh! So it is this It Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara in Super Black. So this retails for $24, and this mascara is the bomb. It is such an amazing mascara. I have a little mini sample of it, but it's like I'm getting low on it because I use it so much. Yes, I really like this packaging too. I think it's super like unique and sleek and sexy, and I love this wand. This is such an awesome concealer, guys. Yes. And the last product is Touch in Soul Pretty Filter Waterfall Glow Cream. And this retails for $38, and it's 1.76 ounces. What? So it says this lightweight cream is formulated with hyaluronic acid and hydrolyzed collagen to plump, firm, and moisturize your skin. Wow. So I'm assuming it's going to give your face a pretty filter. And glow? Ooh, I am really intrigued by this. Ooh. It doesn't have much of a scent that I can smell, but it might when you put it on. You guys, this, I'm glad I got both, but I'm really glad that I got the plus, because damn, like, for however much it is, if it's $25, like, that is awesome. That's like one product. I think the cheapest thing was $15. So just like one of the things, just the palette, and you've paid, you know, is the price of the entire box. I shouldn't get so excited over makeup, but I do. I can't help it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And my question of the day is, what was your favorite vacation? Or if you have somewhere that you've always wanted to go on vacation, what is it? Let me know your answers in the comments below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And that palette will be in a giveaway coming up very, very soon. So don't forget to subscribe. Gotta do a shameless promo. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.